How does population density vary across different continents? Breaking news on a topic that impacts us all. How does population density vary across different continents? With the world rapidly changing, understanding these patterns is more relevant than ever. As people search for information on living conditions and urban development, let's take a closer look at how population density shapes our global landscape. Asia leads the way with the highest population density. Countries like China and India contribute significantly to this statistic, housing billions of people. Urban areas in Asia are incredibly dense, while regions like deserts and mountains remain sparsely populated. The diverse climate zones, ranging from tropical to temperate, play a big role in where people choose to live. In Africa, population density varies widely. Regions with favorable climates and fertile soils, such as parts of West Africa and the Nile Valley, see higher densities. However, vast areas like the Sahara Desert and tropical rainforests have low population density. Many parts of Africa face challenges with infrastructure and access to services, which also affect how populations are distributed. Moving to Europe, we find generally high population density, especially in Western Europe. This is due to long-established urban centers and developed economies. Northern and Eastern Europe tend to have lower densities, influenced by harsher climates and more rural landscapes. North America, including the United States, presents a moderate overall population density. However, there is significant variation. The United States has densely populated urban corridors, such as the Northeast megalopolis, alongside vast, sparsely populated areas in the West. Factors like climate and geography, including mountains and deserts, influence settlement patterns. In South America, population density is notably higher along coastlines and river basins, particularly near the Amazon and in countries like Brazil. The interior Amazon rainforest is very sparsely populated due to its dense forest and challenging environment. Oceania, which includes Australia and island nations like Papua New Guinea, has a low overall population density. In Papua New Guinea, the population is concentrated in coastal areas and fertile volcanic regions, while much of the interior remains sparsely inhabited due to terrain and climate. Lastly, Antarctica has virtually no permanent population. Only temporary scientific personnel resided there due to the extreme climate conditions. In summary, continents with large urbanized areas and favorable climates tend to have higher population densities. Those with harsh environments or less infrastructure often have lower densities. The United States fits within a pattern of moderate density, characterized by urban concentration and large rural expanses. Climate, geography, and levels of development are key factors shaping these patterns.